video, we will show you how to assemble the autoclavable Baldus Double Mask. Here you see the autoclavable inner mask liner. Before and after every autoclave cycle, as well as during the sedation, it is important to check that the membrane on the front of the inner mask liner is properly attached. Here you see the small barb in the center of the inner mask. Keep one finger pressed against the inside of the inner mask behind the barb. Using your other fingers, press the barb through the small hole in the center of the membrane. When assembling and connecting the inner mask liner and outer mask, hold the outer part of the outer mask where the material is stronger and not in the middle of the mask where it is thinner. Gently push the inner mask barb into the outer mask barb. When the two parts of these masks are correctly pushed together, the barb connection will make a small snapping sound. This sound will let you know that the mask is properly connected to one another. Now that you have assembled the double mask correctly, you can now attach it to the scavenging system. Insert the clear mask connectors into the ends of the scavenger double hose, one tube being larger in diameter and the other smaller. The connector also has one large and one smaller size connection. Match these two up with one another. Insert the connector into the double tubing. Make sure to push the connector as far as possible into the double hose to make a good sealed connection. Now take the assembled double mask and connect it to the end of the connectors coming out of the double hose. The double mask will also have a large and small diameter hole that match up with the connectors coming out of the ends of the scavenger double tubing. Match these up with one another and press them together. Holding the outer part of the double mask where the mask material is thicker helps when pushing the two parts together. Here too, make sure to push the connector as far as possible together with the mask to make a good and sealed connection.